again, now come on, come on. Hey, 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 do it, baby, take it, baby. Hey, 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 do it, baby, take it, baby. Hey, 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 do it, baby, take it, baby. Hey, do it, baby.
All right, let me stop. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back for those who have not watched my videos or my channel before. Thank you. I hope this video and my other videos makes you want to subscribe, see what's my life about. And for those who are watching and have watched before, thank you. I appreciate it. So let's get to business. I've been off social media for 2 weeks. Where have I been? I've been in the library. This is my last semester of school, so I just felt like I need to focus and unplug, and point blank period, everybody needs to take a social media cleanse. Time management, that's one thing that I've been trying to work on, and social media, I feel like it's hard. Well, it was hard for me to manage my time wisely and be on social media. And it's not even like I'm a social media influencer or anything. I just used to be like, oh, let me go see. 2 hours later, I'm still just scrolling. Homework needs to be done. I need to eat. Yeah. So these 2 weeks have definitely been inspiring. I've been getting a lot of work done, getting better sleep. My anxiety has went away. Sometimes I just feel like it's hard not to compare yourself to other people's lives when that's all you're looking at. I can't do YouTube and not promote my videos. So in order to do that, I have to post them on my social media. So moving forward, let's talk about this video. So what I'm going to talk about today is very personal for me. This video is not going to be emotional, but I don't know, it's kind of weird. I never really posted something public about it, but I'm like, why not? And it took me so long because I just wanted this video to be exactly a certain way. And I just been brainstorming. I'm like, all right, boom, this is how I want it. I just want something delivered a certain way. That's me. Let's start off with alopecia. Alopecia is a autoimmune disease that basically your body attacks your hair follicles, and there's different types. On the side, one of these sides, I'm going to insert a picture of me and my scalp, which is bald. I got alopecia at 3. Alopecia areata is one of the types, and basically that's just when you have no hair in your scalp. Then there's another one where it's no hair at all, so eyelashes, eyebrows, all body hair. There's one where it's just your facial hair and your scalp together. Yeah, there's a good 6 different types, but yeah, it's skin, no hair whatsoever. But at first, when I was 3, it started out with patches, coin-sized patches were falling out, and then it would grow back, but in different textures. And it doesn't make me sick. The only thing that it does really is my hair follicles are being attacked by my body, they're unknown. So yeah, every case is different. Some people lose it later in life, some people lose it earlier in life. Like me, I lost it when I was 3. Well, let me not say it started when I was 3, and as I got older, it started to fall out more and grow back less. Because it used to grow, it started out in patches, and then at 3 you don't have that much hair. You're still growing your hair, so it's but around probably 9-10 years old, I had enough patches where it was noticeable, so my parents, my lovely parents, they started putting little hats on me and little scars, whatever. And because it's what wig do you buy for a 9-10-year-old? So going into school, kindergarten and everything, they bought me this bob wig, braids, and it had a headband attached, and that was my signature hairstyle for a couple years. And all my pictures, my baby pictures up to a certain age, is me with that wig. So my big question that I get asked a lot is, why didn't I choose to grow my hair? Because there's no cure, but they have all medicines, hormone shots, And of course, when I was at that age, my parents decided, like, you know, they tried a cream, I believe, like a topical cream or something, but it was just like, yeah, like, they just was like, you know what, we're gonna raise her to know that her hair doesn't make her, and when she gets older, she can decide what she wants to do. Fast forward to today, being 23 years old, I'm just like, yeah, like, even when I was like probably 14, 15, it was just like, my hair completely started falling out when I was like 15, 16 years old. Like, it was nothing. Like, I think at 1.2, yeah, like, I feel like, yeah, I had a chance to grow it back, but I was just so used to not having hair. Like, to be honest, I feel like I was born with no hair, because, like, I can't barely remember having hair. I can't remember at all. From pictures is me remembering that I had hair, but other than that, it's like, I can't see myself putting myself through trying to get hair back and not even knowing 100%. Like, and you think I don't love my wigs? Like, I love wearing wigs, like, but it wasn't always that easy to talk about. Like, so that's a whole, you know, different conversation of like a summary for y'all, you know, right now in this video. Growing up was very hard on the outside. Like, my family and my friends that knew, they supported me and still are supporting me. Like, I was not wearing my wig at home, or my friends that did know, which, yeah, that was hard, because like only like probably 5 of my friends knew, and other people knew I wore wigs, but they didn't know why. Like, they just thought I didn't have no hair. Like, not like I didn't have no hair, I don't have hair, but like, you know, some people wear wigs because they don't like their hair, or like they feel like their hair is too short. Like, I feel like people thought that, so it was just like, you know, I'm gonna just let them think that. But then there's little instances where people knew without me telling them, like when my wig would fall off, which is, you know, another story time. But yeah, and then it was just like, oh, she's bald. Why is she bald? Like, and some people I explained it to them, then others I didn't. Like, yeah, so many story time videos I have in store for that, since, you know, it's just a general video, you know, like what it is and that I have it. And that's kind of why I started YouTube doing hair reviews. Like, it is people on YouTube that have alopecia and that, but I don't see a lot of people that have alopecia that's doing YouTube hair reviews. Like, it probably is, you know, but like, I just feel like there's something for me and for other people who I feel like I want to support them, even if they don't get to speak to me directly or vice versa. Like, this is how I know I can get my story out in a large platform. So, you know, there it is. I have alopecia. I've had it since I was 3. I'm completely bald. That's why I wear wigs. Nah, I don't have to wear wigs, but I choose to. And yes, one day I will go outside. I was thinking of this summer, like, you know, going outside, no wig. It's not like I'm scared. It's just like, I don't really, like, I don't know. I'm just like, I'm not in a rush, but I am, just to see people's reaction. But like, I'm not hiding it, like, you know, but it's just like, I want to wear my wigs. Like, I don't know. Like, I feel like I shouldn't force myself to go outside without a wig if I don't want to. And I don't feel like I have to go outside with a wig. Like, I just know I have that option. But when I do it, you know, I just want to pop out. Like, I don't want to just look regular, you know, because I'm getting attention anyway. So, might as well look extra cute. But yeah. So, also, I'm inserting pictures of my different wigs because, you know, I have a whole collection. But it took me a really long time to get comfortable with just having alopecia, my wigs, and just my self-esteem. Like, you know, like, I was just extra, I still am kind of still extra conscious about how my wigs look, and just they need to be up to par. Like, that's just me. I didn't start wearing colors till like, I really want to say like crazier colors until like when I was about to graduate high school. Like, so all those years I was just wearing black, browns, and blondes. Like, and I look back now like, wow, like, I don't know what I was so nervous about. Like, I wish I was that girl, like, oh, she had this color wig and this color wig, like, and now I'm just trying every color. I'm happy that I got this video out because I've been researching, looking at other people's videos on YouTube, and it is a lot of people out there that have alopecia, but there's also a lot of people who don't know what it is. So I also want to make it clear that it can happen to anybody. It can happen anytime. It could be hereditary. It could be random. Any ethnicity. Like, I'm so serious when I tell you that, yeah, it still gets to me sometimes, but it's not the end of the world. Like, and I feel like if I didn't have alopecia, I would probably be a whole different person. If that, you know, however you want to take that. Like, I just feel like it's like a part of me. So, just to wrap everything up, alopecia, autoimmune hair disease. Your body attacks your hair follicles. There's different types. Men and women can be affected. Any ethnicity, any age. It can happen early in life, later in life. Some people grow their hair back, some people don't. Just, you know, if you have it, embrace it. Don't rush yourself. It does take time. I just want everybody to know that I'm open to questions. I just want to educate. You see what it looks like? This is why I do my channel. This is why I do what I do. Feel free to write me or just comment below. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, really hope, because I've been working very hard on it. And stay tuned, because I have a lot of vlogs. I'm about to put out. Clothing haul too. But thank you, for real. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.